Who is considered the first king of Nepal? Answer Bhuktaman. Who is the first authentic king of Nepal? Answer Mandev. When was Bir Hospital built? Answer 1947 BS. Who is the first person to use the word Jai Nepal? Answer Sukraraj Shastri. Who is the first Nepali to visit the UK? Answer Jang Bahadur Rana. When was Bhimsen Thapa born? Answer 1813 2 BS. Who is the eldest son of Prithvi Narayan Shah? Answer Pratap Singh Shah. What is the height of the Pasupatinath Temple? Answer 21 meter and 7 centimeter. Who built Changunarayan Temple? Answer Mandev. Who is known as the Tiger of the House? Answer Chandra Shamsher. Who built the Bhadradivas? Answer Narendra Dev. In which district the Vareva place located? Answer Bara. When is started to use computer in Nepal? Answer 2028 BS. Where is the head of Bhimsen Thapa located? Answer in the Museum of London. Who built the Pasupatinath Temple? Answer Prachanda Dev. Who built the Rani Mahal in Palpa? Answer Khadak Shamsher. What was the Soilder Called in Malla period? Answer Umrab. Who was the last king of Kantipur? Answer Jai Malla. Which civilization is called a civilization of pyramid? Answer Nile Valley civilization. Which is the oldest book painting of Nepal? Answer Pragya Paramita. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel.